Well,
Who wants to go on top of it? Oh my god!
Wellington, where are you going in your fire engine? Where are you going?
Don't swing and crack my knuckles!
Wellington, where are you going in your fire engine?
I'm going to. I'm gonna do
To where?
monkey bar. Oh wow, that's not in the monkey bars. Hey, I'm gonna walk the slide. I can't reach it. Come on here. I'm
Are the bigger kids coming in?
Yeah.
They're taking over the fire engine? You still have the whole front seat. You still have the whole front seat, baby. Whose birthday is it over there? Oh. How old are... Oh, that's squeaky. How old are all the boys?
I'm 8, Macio's 9.
Most of you are 8 and 9?
No, I'm only 7.
Oh, you're 7?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You hang out with the big kids.
Oh, your sister just climbed up the whole slide with bare feet. Told you.
Wellington.
If you can do the monkey bar faster.
Where? Oh, there you are. Those children are 7, 8, and 9. Well, we didn't bring the basketball. We only brought the football.
That's where the basketball player plays.
Yes.
What did she say?
Well, ask her, baby. She's standing right there.
That's where the basketball player plays. Because